Imagine a machine that turns grass into fuel. Cows do this every day with a 4-part stomach. In the rumen, microbes ferment tough fiber into nutrients. Next, that mixture travels to the reticulum, where large particles are filtered and sent back as cud for rechewing. After rechewing, the cud moves into the omasum, which absorbs water and minerals. Finally, it reaches the abomasum, the true stomach, where acids and enzymes finish the job, turning plant matter into proteins and fats the cow can use. This seamless cycle of fermentation, rechewing, filtration, and chemical breakdown powers cows through every day. 4 chambers working as one. Nature's original recycling heroes, transforming humble grass into muscle, milk, and motion with every bite.